Pump applications are widely adopted all over the world in a variety of industries, most commonly in irrigation, water supply and wastewater treatment, chemical production, agriculture, manufacturing, food and beverage, and many more. Pumping large volumes of fluid requires power and consistency to maintain appropriate levels of pressure and flow rate. A pump application that can rapidly adapt to changing circumstances is an invaluable tool for industrial use. This is best achieved with precise motor control by way of a variable frequency drive, which can adjust motor power and maintain proper torque as the pump experiences changes in pressure. Variable frequency drives provide three key benefits to pump operation: startup control, torque acceleration and speed control, and equipment efficiency. In each case, the VFD decreases wear and tear on your motors, extends the life of your equipment, reduces energy consumption, and simplifies maintenance in case a shutdown occurs, so that you can get back to business quickly. It is critical that you choose the right drive for your pump application. With our assistance, you can buy an off-the-shelf drive-in-a-box solution or get an all-in-one drive application built to your exact specifications, shipped directly from us to your place of business. This solution eliminates some of the guesswork needed when building a panel and dramatically reduces installation and startup time. Standard equipment included with every drive-in-a-box are a variable frequency drive housed in a NEMA 12 enclosure, Fingersafe power connections, a filter fan and exhaust filter, a main disconnect switch, motor output power terminals, a control transformer to power fan function, and engraved legend plates for indicators and controls. Additional customization options that are available for your build include a 3% or 5% line reactor, a 10% dynamic brake, a door-mounted keypad, start-stop speed pot controls, a forward-reverse selector switch, a hand-off auto selector switch, a power indicator, a drive running indicator, and a fault indicator and reset button. Get started today at Galco.com.